Namaste and good evening, all. I'm Aditya from India. Today we've gathered together to discuss machines and morality. Technically, machine morality or ethics is concerned with adding moral behavior to AI, agents, or machines which use artificial intelligence. It has not got to do with human use or misuse, or for that matter, the social impacts of technology as per the definition. But hey, you know what? We are not big on definitions today. So if you have any thoughts on how, say, CCTV could be potentially misused in terms of privacy and other poor impacts of technology, feel free to share these ideas as they're all part of the larger discussion today. By the way, machine learning is said to be the biggest driver of positive change in business and society. But if you've been watching Black Mirror or themes in films and media, these kind of dystopian prophecies that it's all going to be doomed with AI is today met with a call for more ethical implementation of AI. The big question is it possible for a machine to extract ethical principle and use it to guide its own behavior in a manner that's aligned with humanity's value system and goals? Since current systems rely on objective computation, the challenge is how do you break down morality or ethics when human beings themselves are not sure what perfect ethics are? Then there are these ethical dilemma situations. For example, say you're a self-driving car AI, and in order to avoid a fatal accident, you have to move either to your right or to your left. On one side is a biker with a helmet on, and on the other side is a biker without a helmet. The decision has to be made to swerve to which side, right? Now, do you punish the driver without the helmet, or do you hit the one with the helmet but who has higher survivability? These questions have no easy answers. One thing is for sure, it's not simple computation alone which can give us a solution. This is an interdisciplinary problem, and the approach involves cognitive sciences, psychology, philosophy, and of course computation and robotic sciences. When the robot's autonomy is limited, or when the controls are limited, the controls the robot has access to are limited, or where the designer can predict situations and build desired outcomes, it is not such a major problem really. But when the AI is advanced, autonomous, and it becomes nearly impossible to predict the ethical situation that the AI will face, then that is the time when the machine needs a moral decision mechanism that is able to deal with the ethical situations and is aligned with human values at the same time. So how do you make this happen? How do you bring in decision making ability inside AI, which is autonomous, which does not require an intervention, and is able to give us beneficial outcomes even when we are not watching it? So scientists have been struggling with this problem for some time now. They seem to suggest that there are three basic approaches to this problem. One is the top-down approach, which is rule-based. It's based on rules and principles like the 10 Commandments or Asimov's 3 laws of robotics, right? Utilitarianism and Kant's categorical imperative are examples of this approach too, by the way. But the whole idea that you just give a machine some set of rules and principles sometimes is a very abstract idea. It's a very abstract approach. However, what the problem with this top-down approach is? That it may be too broad and too abstract, right? The second approach is the bottom-up or the learning approach. So think evolutionary psychology, game theory, etc., where an environment is provided to the machine where appropriate behavior is developed. This method, however, makes it difficult to guide the AI to explicit ethical goals. It's a little subjective. So therefore, advanced agents may need the third approach, which is a hybrid approach, which consists of a top-down component, which is the overall guide, and then there is a bottom-up component, which is the flexible and dynamic morality approach. As you can tell, there's a lot of research happening today, and this is all under development. So what can one do in the current scenario about this dilemma? What all solutions have been proposed? Broadly, you can say that there have been 3 solutions or guidelines proposed. The first principle was that humans should all agree amongst themselves on most ethical course of action. The second guideline proposed was crowdsourcing. For example, the MIT's Moral Machine project is an example of this. It shows how crowdsourced data can be used to train machines to make better decisions. You can check it out. They have a website on this. And the third guideline proposed was to make the AI more transparent. That is, for example, you could have logs of all decisions taken by the AI, and how you can ask how the designers have quantified ethical values and outcomes before programming. But as you can judge, we are still scratching the surface. So one thing is surely cropping up from this discussion. We cannot walk away from this. As machine intelligence becomes pervasive in society, the price of inaction could be enormous. I think we can all agree that a machine cannot be taught fairness unless the engineers designing the AI system have a precise conception of what fairness is. Naive application of algos to everyday problems could amplify structural discrimination and reproduce bias. Think racism. Engineers need to be sensitive to these ideas. So therefore, let's discuss, let's spread the word that the youth of this world are watching the engineers. Thanks so much for listening in and participating. I look forward to your ideas, your thoughts, and also let's take this ahead together. Namaste and Jai Ho.